Tonight for supper I've cooked some beautiful German style pork schnitzel and a lovely cabbage, apple and walnut and craisin salad, and a German tossed potato salad with beans and parsley. And it has a lovely a lovely cooked vinegar dressing. So sit back, relax and watch how easy this is to prepare. And of course, as ever, I will include all the quantities and method in the box below. I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some gorgeous German style pork schnitzel, and I've got flour, egg and milk wash, breadcrumbs and parmesan cheese with sage, and I'm just going to start by, obviously you have to get lovely trimmed pork and you must pound it. So I will get ahead and pound that and then come back to frying. Okay, so I'll start first by gently flouring lovely piece of pork schnitzel, and then I'm going to dunk it into the egg wash, and by adding a little bit of milk to your egg wash with the pork, it actually makes it even more succulent, so keep that in mind. And then I'm going to put it in the breadcrumbs with the parmesan cheese and the lovely sage. Now I have salted and peppered the egg wash, and obviously taste as you go along while you're cooking. So there's a lovely crumbed piece, and I'll just set that aside and get on with the next. So there we have our lovely crumbed pork schnitzel. I'm actually going to be cooking this later this afternoon, so I'm going to cover it with another piece of parchment paper and some Glad wrap, and I'm going to refrigerate it until I'm ready to cook it. So when that happens, I'll get back to you. Welcome back. In the meantime, I'm going to start getting my hot oil dressing ready for my accompaniment to my pork schnitzel, which is going to be actually a potato and green bean salad. And at the moment I've got one large red Spanish onion frying in oil, and all the measurements I will be putting in the description box. But in any event, you have to fry the onion in oil, and then you add water, white wine vinegar, mustard, and you let it simmer till it becomes all nice and glossy and sticky, and you pour that over your cooked potato and green beans. Gorgeous tangy taste for a salad. Salt and pepper it to your own desire, and that will be one of the side accompaniments. Once I've progressed, I'll come back. Okay, really in the thick of it now. I've got my potatoes on the boil and my green bean is cut into chunk-sized pieces boiling, and I'm happy with the way this onion has cooked now, so I'm actually going to add the vinegar, the white wine vinegar, and I want to allow that to come up to a nice boil, and then I'll tone it down a little bit with some water and the mustard, and let it simmer through, and I'll season it with salt and pepper. And obviously when I'm going to toss this beautiful salad together, this German salad, I'm also going to add a cup of roughly chopped fresh parsley, which will really make it all tie in and, you know, be extra yummy. So I can already smell this. It smells gorgeous. I love the smell of cooking vinegar. Yum. So I'll get on with it and show you the end result. I'm just going to add some walnut pieces and some lovely craisins. And I'm not ready to serve this yet, but when I do, put a dressing of traditional mayo mixed with, I put light sour cream, but you could put full sour cream, and some Dijon mustard, and of course salt and pepper to taste, and just mix it through thoroughly and enjoy it. It's gorgeous, gorgeous accompaniment to pork, and I'm sure even on its own without anything, it's a lovely meal. So yes, next step soon. Oil's nice and hot, and I'm ready to start to fry my lovely pork schnitzels. And we don't want to crowd the pan, and we don't want to scorch either. So just on a nice medium heat, but a consistent heat. Put in your nice pieces. They're already smelling quite yummy. I can smell all that lovely cheese. Now, we don't want to burn them. It's a lovely golden colour, but we must be mindful that this is pork and it will take a little longer to cook. If you're cooking veal or chicken, it'd be a lot quicker. So that's why it's best to keep it to a medium-low heat. Let it fry out and let it cook thoroughly. So I'll progress and cook all of these, and when I'm ready to dish up or toss those salads, I'll get back to you. I'm going to dress this potato and bean salad now. This yummy dressing that I made. Toss through. Get those onions mixed up through it. That lovely tangy, oniony, vinegary, oily flavours them through. It's got all the lovely chopped parsley through it. And I'm going to add a sprinkling of salt, and I'll get some pepper. Some lovely black pepper. And that one can be called done. And now to our coleslaw cabbage with apple and walnuts and craisins. I've got some plain mayonnaise, traditional mayonnaise, some sour cream. I haven't got any Dijon mustard, unfortunately. I've run out. So I'm actually just going to use some horseradish because I just want a bit of warmth. So I'll pop that in there as well. And horseradish is always a good substitute for Dijon mustard if you don't have it. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and some nice cracked black pepper. And then it's just a matter of stirring these lovely condiments through. And we don't want it bathing and swimming in a lot of sauce. The dressing should be quite minimal actually, because you want the apple and the cabbage and the walnuts to be the star and the craisins to be the star of this salad. And don't over salt this one either. Cabbage is quite spicy as it is. So just a good mix through. And there you are.